Your body reacts to sudden sounds in just 14 milliseconds, faster than you can even blink. When a door slams, your acoustic startle reflex instantly fires signals through your brainstem, bypassing conscious thought completely. Your sympathetic nervous system floods your bloodstream with adrenaline while your vagus nerve triggers vasoconstriction, redirecting blood to vital organs. Your muscles tense, pupils dilate, and heart rate spikes, all before your brain identifies what made the noise. This lightning-fast survival mechanism kept our ancestors alive, and it's still protecting you today.